The word astronomy comes from the Greek words astron, which means star, and nomos, which means law. Astronomy therefore translates literally as star laws. Astronomy is the study of the laws of nature that govern how stars and other bodies in space appear to move across the sky, how they form, and how they change over time. In this episode, we're going to look at what a year is and why it's about 365 days long. Hi everyone, Spiro here. Welcome to the second episode of the Star Laws series, aka the Shedding Light on Astronomy series. We're all pretty familiar with the concept of the year. When people ask us our age, we generally answer in years. We typically know what year we were born in. But what exactly is a year? Let's take a look. The Earth is moving around the Sun in more or less a circle at a distance of about 150 million kilometres. 1 year is the time that it takes for the Earth to move all the way around the Sun once and to get back to where it started from. In technical language, we say that the Earth is orbiting the Sun, and that a year is the time that it takes to complete one orbit. If, for example, you're 15 years old, you've been all the way around the Sun 15 times. In one orbit, that is in 1 year, the Earth rotates 365 and a quarter times, which means that there are 365 and a quarter days in a year. Now this animation is nowhere near to scale. The Earth's diameter is about 12,756 kilometres, and the Sun's diameter is about 1,392,700 kilometres. That is just under 1,400,000 kilometres, or 1.4 million kilometres. It's this rounded off figure that I'm going to use from now on. If we divide the Sun's diameter by the Earth's diameter, 1.4 million kilometres by 12,756 kilometres, we get 110. The Sun is about 110 times wider than the Earth. To draw it to scale, I have to shrink the Earth right down until it's only this big, barely visible, but to scale. If I zoom in a bit to make the Earth a little bigger, the Sun is so big that it doesn't fit onto the screen. Another way of thinking of the size difference is that 110 Earths could fit end to end from one side of the Sun to the other. The Sun is really, really big. It's 110 Earths wide. If the Sun had a diameter of 1 metre, which is about the diameter of this hoop, then the Earth would have a diameter of 1/110th of a metre, which is about 0.9 of a centimetre, that is 9 millimetres, which is the size of the dot on this piece of paper. However, the image on the left and the simple scale model on the right are not showing the distance between the Sun and the Earth to scale. Thanks for watching this short excerpt from Star Laws Episode 2, What is a Year? The Star Laws series has been produced to help students understand all the basics of astronomy. To watch the entire video, visit the links in the description below. As you've just seen, the video explains what a year is and how huge the Sun is compared to the Earth. But it also explains how vast the distance between the Sun and the Earth is, what a leap year is and why we have them, why our years are numbered the way they are, and much more. Every video in the Star Laws series comes with a worksheet. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.